Whether checking for fishing line wrapped around the prop shaft or changing to a different prop pitch, you'll occasionally need to remove your Mercury Avator 7.5e propeller. Before you begin, make sure the outboard is powered off, then remove the battery. You need to keep the prop from turning as you loosen the prop nut. The easiest way is to grip the prop firmly while wearing a leather or heavy canvas glove. The edges of the prop blades are sharp, so whenever you handle the prop, use extra caution. Also, do not use an impact wrench or power drill to remove the nut. You can loosen it using a 22mm socket and ratchet wrench. Once you break the nut free, remove it by hand. Now, slide off the propeller. The prop shear pin may fall out during this process. If it does, set it aside. If not, remove it and retain it until you reinstall the prop. If your shear pin is damaged, now's the time to replace it. Before the prop goes on, apply Mercury High Performance Extreme Grease to the non-threaded area of the prop shaft. This helps prevent corrosion and keeps the prop from seizing to the prop shaft. Just be cautious to keep the grease off the prop shaft's threads. Now install the prop shear pin into the prop shaft. Slide on the propeller and thread the prop nut on by hand. Wearing a leather or heavy canvas glove, hold the prop firmly to prevent it from turning as you tighten the prop nut. Use caution during this process because the prop blade edges are sharp. Your prop is now ready to go, ready to propel you on another fantastic Avator-powered adventure.